Welcome back, Bright Minders. Are you ready for another exciting ocean adventure? Let's see how many sea animals you can guess in 5 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe before we dive in. Number 1. This animal looks like a rock but can open and close when touched. Time's up. The answer is clam. Clams use their strong shells to protect their soft bodies. Number 2. It's a slow-moving animal with a soft body and tiny arms. Time's up. The answer is sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers clean the ocean floor by eating sand and tiny food bits. Number 3. This long fish has sharp teeth and swims quickly in warm waters. Time's up. The answer is barracuda. Barracudas are fast hunters that flash silver as they move. Number 4. It looks like a pancake and has a long tail with a stinger. Time's up. The answer is stingray. Stingrays glide gracefully over the sand and use their tails for defense. Number 5. It's one of the largest predators of the deep sea with glowing lights. Time's up. The answer is giant squid. Giant squids have enormous eyes and super long arms for catching prey. Number 6. It looks like a small starfish but has thin, wiggly arms. Time's up. The answer is brittle star. Brittle stars move quickly across the seafloor and can regrow their arms. Number 7. It looks like a jelly but moves with tiny hairs called cilia. Time's up. The answer is comb jelly. Comb jellies sparkle with rainbow colors as they swim in the dark sea. Number 8. This gentle sea creature eats only plants and floats in warm waters. Time's up. The answer is manatee. Manatees are called sea cows because they slowly graze on seagrass all day. Number 9. It's a beautiful shell often found on beaches with an animal inside. Time's up. The answer is conch. Conchs use their spiral shells for protection and can make a soft sea sound when held to the ear. Number 10. This small, spotted sea animal hides in coral and peeks out from its hole. Time's up. The answer is moray eel. Number 11. It's a strong, silver fish that leaps out of the water when hooked. Time's up. The answer is tuna. Tuna are powerful swimmers that can travel thousands of miles in the ocean. Number 12. This flat sea creature looks like it's flying underwater. Time's up. The answer is manta ray. Manta rays have wide fins that flap like wings as they glide through the sea. Number 13. It's a colorful fish with stripes that sleeps in a bubble at night. Time's up. The answer is wrasse. Wrasses are helpful fish that clean other fish by eating tiny parasites off them. Number 14. This animal looks like a balloon when it's scared and has tiny spikes. Time's up. The answer is porcupine fish. It puffs up and shows its spines to frighten predators away. Number 15. It's a rare pink-colored dolphin found in tropical rivers and seas. Time's up. The answer is pink dolphin. Pink dolphins are playful and can change color from gray to pink as they grow. Number 16. This slow-moving animal looks like a tiny leaf and floats in seaweed. Time's up. The answer is pipefish. Pipefish are close relatives of seahorses and use their long snouts to sip tiny food. Number 17. It's one of the slowest creatures in the ocean with no bones at all. The answer is sea slug. Sea slugs are colorful animals that crawl slowly on rocks and coral. Number 18. This tiny, transparent creature drifts with the ocean currents. The answer is plankton. Plankton are the base of the ocean food chain and feed many sea animals. Number 19. It looks like a mini whale but lives in rivers and seas. The answer is beluga. Beluga whales are white and make many sounds, earning them the name sea canaries. Number 20. It's a tiny crab that cleans fish by eating parasites off them. The answer is cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimps help keep coral reefs healthy. Number 21. This fish has a big fin on top and lives near reefs. The answer is angelfish. Angelfish are colorful reef dwellers that feed on small plants and sponges. Number 22. This smooth sea creature makes clicking sounds to find food. The answer is pilot whale. Pilot whales are social animals that travel in tight groups. Number 23. This crab lives deep in the sea and is covered with white hair. Time's up. The answer is yeti crab. Yeti crabs grow bacteria on their hairy claws to eat later. Number 24. It's a small, fast fish that can leap out of the water and glide through the air. Time's up. The answer is flying fish. Flying fish use their fins like wings to escape from predators. Number 25. This slow sea animal looks like a blob and lives deep on the ocean floor. Time's up. The answer is blobfish. Blobfish have soft, jelly-like bodies that help them survive deep-sea pressure. Number 26. It's a sea animal with large fins that can leap out of the water in a powerful splash. The answer is marlin. Marlins are fast swimmers with long, pointed bills used to slice through schools of fish. Number 27. It's a bright red animal with long legs that lives in cold ocean waters. Time's up. The answer is king crab. King crabs have strong shells and are among the largest crabs in the sea. Number 28. This sea animal can shoot water from its mouth to catch insects. The answer is archerfish. Archerfish are skilled hunters that shoot streams of water to knock down prey above the surface. Number 29. It's a bright orange fish with black markings found in coral reefs. Time's up. The answer is clown triggerfish. Clown triggerfish have bold patterns that help them blend with coral and rocks. Number 30. This creature has a fan-like body and filters food through water. Time's up. The answer is sea sponge. Sea sponges don't move but clean the ocean by filtering tiny food particles. Great job, Bright Minders! You've just completed the full ocean challenge, 30 amazing sea animals. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain challenges and nature quizzes every week.